it's Viviana. Hey beauties, it's Viviana. Hey beauties, it's Viviana. Hey beauties, it's Viviana. Hey beauties, it's Viviana. And today, Happy New Year!
So back in 2017, I tried to start a little series on my channel called Restyle in December. Or was it just Restyle December? Yup, it was Restyle in December. So basically it was a 5-day series of me doing hairstyles that I've already done back in my earlier days of YouTube. So you get it? Restyle in December. I thought it was pretty clever. It was kind of the furthest thing from my mind for this year, but I want to do something to commemorate a great year for 2019. So how about we try to recreate the top 5 hairstyles for the year and combine them into one hairstyle? I mean, it could be a disaster and a hot mess, but it could turn out nice. It could. Alright guys, so it's the next day and I've been here thinking long and hard, what am I going to do for this video? Initially I wanted this hairstyle to be like something cute that I can actually wear out, but I really don't know at this point in time how I'm going to combine 5 totally different hairstyles into one. So here what? We're just gonna have fun with this. And yeah. Alright, let's start in the shower.
So the only thing that made sense at this point in creating our Frankenstein hairstyle is to start with our 5th most popular video of 2019.
That just popped up in my head. What would happen if I wrapped my hair while it's soaking wet and then allow it to air dry? So when I first saw that the wet wrap video was on the top 5 list for 2019, I thought that I was gonna have to straighten my hair for this entire video because, well, that was the purpose of the wrap. However, I came up with the idea that since most of y'all were telling me in the comment section that my little beehive looked cute as if it was an actual style, let's try and incorporate the actual wet wrap in the final style.
You're probably just as confused as I am, but this is just one of 5 hairstyles.
So it's not a full wet wrap that we did in the original video. However, we need to make space for the other hairstyles, so let's go.
And for my 4th most popular video of 2019, I tried waveformers.
Yes, the video that has these companies using my face for advertisement and they didn't ask my permission. Alright, let's use the end of my wrap as the section that I'm going to use my waveformers on. I'm imagining that it would transition nicely from smooth to wavy. Ooh, this is gonna be such a hot mess. All right.
Okay, so 2 hairstyles finished for Frankenstein hairstyle. Oh wow! So our 3rd most popular video for 2019 was actually posted in 2018. And in this video, I tried about 6 or so of Lauren Gray's favorite hairstyles. I have an entire playlist of that series on my channel if you'd like to go check it out. Yeah, clearly it's a pretty popular title.
So and rewatched that entire video. So the question is, which one of those simple, basic hairstyles are we going to use to incorporate into this Frankenstein hairstyle? I don't want to do it. I just don't want to do it. For me to do those French braids now, I have to go part over my hair with my rat tail comb, detangle my hair thoroughly using my white tooth comb, probably add some more moisturizer, probably add some mousse, then detangle my hair again, and then I can French braid my hair. Alright, hair what? We're going to use that one hairstyle that we actually did not do in the original video because, well, at the time, I didn't want to do it.
So I've created a very crooked looking part down the center of my head.
And let's make another little section here. Alright, let's save this for later. So as I mentioned in the original video, for me to do Dutch braids in my hair has to be thoroughly detangled. So let's slowly do that. My hand tired. So I'm sure I remember that Lauren braided her braids all the way down for her favorite hairstyle. However, since I want to make space for my fourth hairstyle, I'm just gonna stop my braid right here. Yes, I know that my shirt is all messed up. I recently dyed my hair and it's still bleeding. I'm tired.
I really don't know what kind of hairstyle this. But for our second most popular video of 2019 is this video where we followed along with Loopsy's rag curls.
I never imagined this would be my results from doing rag curls. So for my Frankenstein hairstyle, I'm going to be doing my rag curls at the end of my Dutch braids. How do I do this again? So click this up. I think I'm just going to do 2 rag curls at the end. Just 2. The number 1 most popular video of 2019 that got me a feature on YouTube's Instagram page.
I mean, some real shenanigans we had to do for that 10 million views, but thank you anyways.
So I have my jumbo hairpins right here, plus my bobby pins. I really thought I would never be doing this again.
If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro.
So we all know how each of these curls are gonna look. However, let's see how they all look together. Is it as good as the first time? My favorite curling cream was finished. I featured it in my empties video. So I just used another hair cream I had on hand and it's not holding my hair as nicely. I mean, I still got definition. Let me fluff these and see how it turns out. Don't fluff it too much. It's prone to frizzing. Look at it then. Look at it. Look at it. Look! But I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna fold it over like this. Use a few of the same hairpins I just took out of my hair. Our Frankenstein hairstyle of 2019. I don't like this little gap right here. You guessed it, didn't ya? Problem solved. I really hope it was a great year for you, and if it was anything less than perfect, I pray that for 2020 you'll have a great year. All 365 yeah, 2020 is a leap year, so I hope all 366 days in 2020 will be great for you. I mean, realistically speaking, all 366 days may not be great, but I hope the good days greatly outweigh the bad. Anyway, beauties, thanks again for watching. Thanks again for supporting this channel for 2019. I hope you continue to follow me in 2020, and maybe finally for 2020 we will actually hit 1 million subscribers. So you can help me out a little bit by sharing the video and giving me a thumbs up. Later!